Let's see how the gold has behaved yesterday. Yesterday, the price formed an indecision candle. We can see that the price has jumped between these two price levels. First one, 2890.97, and the upside was around 2927.76 resistance level. We can see that the price was jumping and could not find enough strength to close the price below this close price of this candle, which is a very important support level. And also the price could not make its way up, making a bullish breakout above this resistance level, which will open the area to target 2952.97, the resistance level. Let's go to see how the prices behave on a 1 hour time frame. Just for information, inside the premium analysis yesterday, I have sent the information when this bearish breakout has been formed. You can see it was a bullish breakout here with the target right here. The target was reached, and then the price retraced from this area of resistance, which is a daily resistance, 2927.76. We can see the price has gone a little bit up, trying to form a bullish breakout, but the sellers have triggered the sell-off here to push the price down and formed a bearish breakout below this area of support at 2921.22. Then the price reached the support level, and here I have sent information about the price forming a bearish breakout targeting the level again here. So the price has returned back above, just to retest the previous support. Now it was acting as a resistance, we can see that here, and then the price returned back down, reaching the take profit level I have sent inside the premium analysis. After that, the price has gone down. We can see confluence of support because we have here a trend line which is acting as a support, and we had here a 1 hour time frame, a support level, which has made this area as a confluence of support, forming a support that is preventing the price from falling down. And we can see the price try to move up from this area of support, but we can see the selling pressure here is much stronger than it is the buying pressure. So the price returned back down, forming this strong bearish candle. Then the buyers had took over again, returned the price back above, and here the price has formed a bullish breakout with this bullish candle. And here I have sent information of the bullish breakout targeting the price level right here. We can see in the next candle the price did not move that, it has moved down, moving slightly, and in the next few hours the price could not find enough strength, and the sellers have pushed the price all the way back down. We can see here targeting the price level at 2890.65. From here we can see at 4 o'clock afternoon the price returned back above, going all the way back here, forming this bullish breakout and reaching the area right here, which was targeting from here. So the price from there, we can see it has gone below this area of support. We can see this trend line, this is the blue line, it is a daily trend line, currently is acting as a resistance. It's not acting anymore as a support. And here, when the prices reach this area of confluence of resistance, the price returned back down until in the last, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, in the last 4 hours, the price is moving slightly down, and it is currently at 2905.15. So yesterday the price started, we can see that here around this area price level, and we can see this day has started right here. So the area from here to here, it is almost at the same price level. That's why we have a daily candle which is at the same open and close price, at very similar. It is slightly bullish, but it is very close to each other. Now what we can expect today, we can see that yesterday the price has formed, 2 days ago, the price formed this bearish breakout below the 2927.76. It is a bearish breakout which I have said yesterday inside the daily analysis that if the price do not return back above this area of resistance, 2927.55 above, this will confirm this bearish breakout as a valid one, which means the price will continue to lose its value going further down. Now this scenario has been formed and it is confirmed, and we can see currently the price is trying to move further down. If it moves down, this means we can see this area, this is the trend line which is acting as a support. It will be broken, which means the price will try to move to the lower levels. Now we can see on the 1 hour time frame that the price is currently at a very important support level for the 1 hour time frame. It is at 2905.95. If the price makes a bearish breakout here, it will target to 895.83 like yesterday and here in this case. This means the price will lose its value. Now if the price goes further down, we can see on the 4 hour time frame, this is 2895.83 is the first support level. If it is broken on the 4 hour time frame, the target will be 2878.61. So 2895.83 is very important support level for now for the 4-hour time frame. And we can see this is a bearish engulfing candle suggested for a decline down. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see the first support level where the price will stop will be around here. It is around 2897.77. 2897.77, and we can see 2897.77. It is around right here. It is at the support level I have just mentioned, 2895.83, which is a 4-hour time frame, and it is also 1-hour time frame. So this is the support level where I'm expecting the price will move in the next several hours. And what I can tell you, currently I am expecting that the price will make a bearish breakout below this area of support. It is just depending when this will happen. Will the price bounce back up and then return back down? But based on what I can see currently, the daily, the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, especially 4-hour time frame, is showing me a bearish continuation of where the price will lose its value, where the target is around 2897. We can see that here. If the price makes a bearish breakout below this area of support, we can see that the next support will be around 2878.61. So currently for today I am bearish oriented. I am expecting that the price will drop down, but first of all I am expecting and waiting for the price to make a bearish breakout below 2905.15. So when the price makes a breakout here, bearish or bullish, going up or going down, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders so they are informed when this breakout happens, just like in the example yesterday when the price has reached the target, and also when this one has been failed but the price has returned back and reached the take profit level I have mentioned. There are also other symbols where you can see here I have silver, USD Japanese yen, US 30, Nasdaq, GBP USD, Euro USD and Bitcoin. I also share them inside the premium analysis with the traders so they are informed when the breakout happens. So if you would like to join, feel free to check in the description, the link will be below. So that's all for today, see you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.